Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will learn the difference between United Kingdom and Isle of Man. Many applicants don't know that Isle of Man got a separate government, they got a separate currency, like a different currency, and they also got a different website. So the for UK we have gov.uk, but for Isle of Man we have gov.im. So in this video we will learn how to apply jobs in Isle of Man, how to get the visa for that area, what's the difference between the United Kingdom and Isle of Man. So without wasting time, let's start and learn about Isle of Man. So this is the website gov.im. When you go on this website, you can see they got separate system like a benefit and financial system, birth certificates, health, everything they call like. And you can, if you want to find a job, you click on it, finding a job, and you will see the section over here, job search, where you will look for all the jobs or anything which you can. If you click all, it will show up. So all these jobs posted in Isle of Man, and you apply on this website. So there are loads of jobs, for example, other skilled, unskilled, business, legal. So for example, if anyone looking for a client service manager job, so you will go and look from this website. So there are loads of jobs. Many people don't know that there are, like, these jobs even exist because they comes on a different website. Like I said, it's gov.im, it's not on gov.uk. So these jobs don't show on gov.uk website. So they have like financial controller job, for example. If I click on this, I'll zoom out. So it's a golf club. It's a very beautiful place, and they have, like, they even provide the skilled worker visas. So that's why I usually recommend to people, like, if you have not seen the website, you should see this website and you should look for the skilled worker visa job, because they got loads of jobs and there are loads of opportunities in Isle of Man. Now let's learn the difference between the two governments. So jurisdiction, the Isle of Man, a British Crown dependency. United Kingdom is England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Government system, so self-governing with its own parliament. They got their own parliament. UK got a different parliament. Relationship with UK, British Crown dependency, not part of the UK. Okay, this is what is important. That's why, so like for example, website, they have a different website. Official website of Isle of Man, government, and UK got gov.uk. Currency, so they got Manx pound, tied to British pound sterling. Legal system, separate legal system from the UK. Public services, Isle of Man, specific public services, health and education. So UK got NHS, education and taxation. So they got a separate one. Taxation, own tax system independent of the UK. Immigration, so Isle of Man, specific immigration policies. So in UK we have home office policies. They got specific policies. Usually whenever you apply for skilled worker visa or a visitor visa, it always asks you on gov.uk website, are you applying for Isle of Man? And as soon as you click, so the policies start from this website. I'll discuss that in detail in this video, the visit visa website, like, the policies of all the immigration rules. So governance, that's, they got their separate parliament. Economic autonomy, so they got independent economic policies. So UK got their own, and they got their own economic policies. The size is 572 square kilometer only. So if you see the size, this is a massive size. UK is about 243,000. Isle of Man is only 572. But as I have just showed you, there are loads of jobs opportunities in that region. Now let's learn how to apply for work permit. So you go on gov.im, go down on this website, you will look for working in the Isle of Man. And over here you have work permit. So when you click on work permit, you will come to this page. This gives you the processing time. 1 day is 19%, 3 days 93%. So within 3 days they process everything. So who needs a work permit? Apply for a new work permit fees, essential consideration, potential consideration, exemption, temporary exemptions, automatic work permit. So this is the office address, and you can also send them an email as well if you want. So if I click who needs a work permit, subject to the following, anyone who is not classed as an Isle of Man worker requires a work permit to take up employment, including self-employment in the island. There are exemptions for number of occupations and employment, and for certain temporary employment. Workers who hold immigration status, which is defined as an immigration employment document, do not require work permit. So this page will explain you everything. On the left side, you can see all the details, like if you want to find a job, health and safety at work, employment agencies. So for example, if I click employment agencies, it will give me the list of all the employment agencies. So they have like Department of Enterprise, which explains everything. If I click over here, so these are the employment agencies. So if you're looking forward to apply for the jobs, then you can see the address, you can see the websites as well. So all the websites, abilityplus.co.im. So for example, bestspokerecruitment.co.im. So you can see the difference. And all these websites are the one where you can apply jobs in this island. So if you don't know these websites, if you've never been to these websites, then there is no way that you will be able to find the job in that area. This is a very famous one, Shearwater. This one, Shearwater Recruitment. They got loads of jobs. So you should search on this one as well. So these all are the companies where you can find jobs. So for example, if I go back and click on Best Spoke website, yeah. So this is the website now. And if I wanted to see the jobs, I'll zoom out, find jobs, and I can see all these jobs over here. You can choose location as well. So if I choose Isle of Man, so they got 613 jobs. So you can see that how much opportunity is there. For example, if I click credit analyst, so Isle of Man, general purpose, these are the job responsibilities, and that's what you will be your working relationship, and this is where you will send your CV. So you make sure that when you're looking for the jobs, you look for the Isle of Man as well. If you have any questions regarding this video or any videos regarding the benefits or like your marriage certificate or visa, feel free to contact me. You can always send me an email directly, or you can also join our WhatsApp group.